Hello students, I welcome you all to your video class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the topic chapter 10, communication through the ages. Children, staying connected with our family and friends is very important part of our life. Children, in today's modern world, the technologically advanced means of communication have made connecting with people across the world very easy, quick and effective. Children, what is communication? Communication is the exchange of information or idea between people. Children, we communicate when we talk to our friends either face to face or over the telephone. We can communicate by writing a letter or by sending an email. Children, what is communication? Yes, the exchange of information by speaking and writing is called communication. Children, means of conveying one's idea and feeling to another. We express our idea and feeling through communication. Children, communication is the exchange of information or ideas between people. Children, in the past, men used to go from one place to another to share the message. Children, he also used animals and birds like horse, pigeon as well as messengers to share the message. Children, sharing of thoughts by talking or in writing is called communication. Children, communication is the exchange of information or ideas among the people. Children, early humans used to communicate using signs just like other animals. Earlier message was sent over long distance through pigeons or horse. Do you know, children? The earliest mode of sending messages was through pigeon called pigeon post. Children, early humans used to communicate using symbols and painting drawn on the walls of caves. Children, papyrus, the first form of paper, was invented. The earliest mode of sending messages was through pigeon called pigeon post. Later, the postal services make the task of sending messages much easier. Children, communication is the process of using words, sounds, signs or any other medium to express and share your thoughts, ideas and information with others. Children, let us study about the various means of communication in detail. Children, do you know? People who cannot hear and speak communicate with others using the sign language. Children, next we are going to discuss about modes or means of communication. There are two types of communication. One is interpersonal communication and mass communication. Children, interpersonal communication is an exchange of information between two people. Children, interpersonal communication for examples, post office, telegraph and telephone. Children, the exchanging of information on a large scale to a wide range of people at the same time is called mass communication. Children, mass communication for examples, radio, newspapers and television. Children, next we are going to discuss about interpersonal communication. Children, interpersonal communication is an exchange of information between two or few people. Children, what is interpersonal communication? Yes, interpersonal communication is an exchange of information between two or few people. It includes exchanging letters, talking over the telephone, fax, etc. Children, next we are going to discuss about post office. Children, the postal system is one of the oldest method of sending messages. This is a physical and direct form of communication where the postman has to deliver these written messages manually. Children, India has the world's largest postal network. There are nearly 1.5 lakhs post office in our country. Children, we can send a letter through the post office or courier service. The Indian Post Office was established in 1837. Children, when was established Post Office in India? Yes, the Indian Post Office was established in 1837. We can buy postcards, inland letters and envelopes from any post office. We can also send money to anyone through a money order. Children, letters are carried by rail, road or air transport. Children, if we want to send a letter urgently, we can use speed post. We can also send and receive letters or parcels through a private courier service. The oldest means of communication is the post. Children, the Postal Department of India helps us to send or receive messages. Children, the post office is a place which manages the job of sending and receiving letters and parcels. Each letter bears a postal stamp. We must write the PIN code on the letter. Children, what is the expanded form of PIN? Children, PIN expanded form of postal index number. Children, we must write the PIN code on the letter. The post office is an inexpensive means of communication. Children, now we have the courier service and the speed post. This means of communication is used to send messages to any part of the world in less than 24 hours. Children, we can send a letter through the post office or courier service. Children, now we are going to discuss about telegraph. Children, urgent messages can be sent through a telegram. Children, the telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse. Children, who invented telegraph? Yes, the telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse. The telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse in 1844. Children, a telegraph was or a telegram is sent by an electrical telegraph operator using the Morse code. Children, what is Morse code? Children, the Morse code consists of dots and dashes which represent alphabets and numericals. Children, through this system, the message is sent in the coded language of dots and dashes. This code is called the Morse code. Children, after the invention of the teleprinter, the services of the telegraph became 3 times faster than an ordinary telegraph machine. Children, urgent messages can be sent through a telegram. This system of sending messages through telegraph wires was invented by Samuel Morse. Children, next we are going to discuss about telephone. Children, we can talk to any person over a telephone. The telephone is the fastest and most convenient means of sending spoken messages. Children, it was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Children, who invented the telephone? Yes, the telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Children, when was invented the telephone? Yes, the telephone invented in 1876. Children, the telephone is one of the fastest and the most convenient means of communication. We use it to speak to the people over long distance with the help of STD and ISD facility. We can talk to any person anywhere in the world in just a few seconds. Children, STD expanded form of subscriber trunk dialing, ISD expanded form of international subscriber dialing. Children, communication with people living in another city of our country has become possible through telephone by the STD facility. We communicate with people in another country. We use the ISD facility. Children, we can talk to anyone in another city in India using STD facility, and anyone in another country using the ISD facility. Children, mobile telephones or cell phones can be carried along wherever we go. We can also send SMS through the mobile phones. Children, what is expanded form of SMS? SMS expanded form of short messaging service. Children, the telephone is the fastest and most convenient means of sending spoken messages. Children, the telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Children, next we are going to discuss about fax. It means facsimile. Children, it is one of the means of communication we used mostly in offices is the fax machine. It is a device attached to the telephone. We can send copy of pictures through a fax machine connected to a telephone line. Children, fax machine is used to send information across towns, cities or countries using the telephone line. Children, next we are going to discuss about email and smartphone. Children, the computer is a machine used to send and receive a message via a network. The internet is the largest network of the computer which is used to share information. Email is the system of sending and receiving mail via a computer. It is a very fast and cheaper means of communication. It is even cheaper than making a telephone call. We can send a message through electronic mailer email using a computer with an internet connection. The message reaches the receiver anywhere in the world in a short time. Children, smartphones that combine the features of a telephone. Children, share music files and photographs and to receive and send emails. Children, internet is a large group of computers that are connected to each other. It is used to send information instantly to other computers around the world. Children, internet is a worldwide network of computers. Children, next we are going to discuss about mass communication. Children, the exchanging of information to a large number of people at the same time is called mass communication. Children, what is mass communication? Yes, the exchanging information to a large number of people at the same time is called mass communication. The mass communication includes newspaper, magazines, radio, television and cinema. Children, next we are going to discuss about newspapers and magazines. Children, the book, newspaper and magazine are used almost in every part of the world. We can receive the latest news the whole world from a magazine. We can know about the educational, cultural and sports activity of other countries. Children, printing was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in Germany in 1443. Children, newspapers and magazines are publications containing news, views, advertisements and information about events of the world. Children, newspapers, magazines, books and journals were the first means of mass communication. Newspapers bring us news from all around the world, be it politics, sports, culture, science or history. Newspapers are printed during the night so that they can reach people early morning. Every country has news agencies which collect news and send it to different countries. Children, magazines also provide information on specific topics such as politics, sports or entertainment. Children, next we are going to discuss about radio. Children, the radio was invented by an Italian scientist Galileo Marconi in 1886. Children, radio is not only a means of entertainment but also serves the purpose of advertising and making important public announcements. Children, radio was the first wireless means of communication. People can get messages through it in a short time. Children, apart from receiving a message or news, we can also listen to music, songs, etc. on radio. Children, even people who do not know how to read can benefit and enjoy listening to it. The invention of radio brought about a revolution in mass communication. Children, radio is a wireless communication device invented by Marconi. We listen to the radio for news, songs, educational and entertainment programs. Children, next we are going to discuss about television. The television was invented in 1926 by John Louis Bird in England. Children, when was invented the television? Yes, the television was invented in 1926. Who invented television? Yes, the television invented by John Louis Bird. Children, the television is an audio-visual device that makes it possible not only to hear people but also see them doing things. Children, today television is an important form of mass communication and entertainment. There are numerous television channels showing different programs like sports, news, history, reality shows, cartoons, etc. Children, nowadays programs can be shown live on the television with the help of satellites. Children, television is a device that receives the telecast signals of the motion, picture and sound to telecast from the television station. Children, now we are going to discuss about cinema. Children, cinema is a very popular means of mass communication. Cinema is of two types. Children, one is for entertainment through features films and the other for spreading knowledge and education. Children, films and documentaries are exchanged among the different countries of the world. Cinema has played a major role in shaping and forming people's opinions. Children, cinema is a very popular means of mass communication. Next, we are going to discuss about internet and social networking. Children, the internet is the fastest means of communication in the world. It provides news and detailed information, helps people send mails instantly to any part of the world. The internet provides us with information on almost any topic, sending and receiving an electronic mail or email. Using the internet takes just a few seconds. Children, internet is a means of connecting a computer to any other computer anywhere in the world through service providers. Internet was started in America. Children, where was started internet? Yes, internet started in America. It was started in America as ARPANET and was opened up for the world in the beginning of the 1990s. Children, what is expanded form of ARPANET? Children, ARPANET expanded form of Advanced Research Projects Agency. Children, internet is a large group of computers that are connected to each other. It is used to send information instantly to other computers around the world. Children, the internet also facilitates online shopping, reservation of tickets, etc. Children, next one, social networking. Children, social networking is the latest method of communicating with friends and relatives over the internet. Children, social networking is a platform to share one's thoughts, photographs, videos, etc. with selective people. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Children, social networking is the latest method of communicating with friends. Children, now we are going to discuss about artificial satellites. An artificial satellite is an object that people have made and launched into orbit using rockets. Children, there are currently over 1,000 active satellites orbiting the Earth. Children, an artificial satellite is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Children, what is artificial satellite? An artificial satellite is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. Children, why do we need artificial satellites? And artificial satellites are to gather information about the universe or for communication. Children, Different types of satellites are astronomical satellites, geographical satellites, communication satellites, and weather satellites. First one, astronomical satellites. We can use for observation of distant planets and other outer face objects. Next one, geographical satellites. Geographical satellites that provide information about the Earth's resources. Next one, communication satellites. The communication satellite is mainly used in radio, telephone and television services. Children, there are many artificial satellites which are launched into space to orbit around the Earth. These satellites are called communication satellites. These satellites also make it possible for people to watch live matches as we have studied in the previous class. Next one, weather satellites. Weather satellites which are mainly used to monitor to Earth's weather and climate. Children, artificial satellites are generally fitted with powerful cameras. These cameras take pictures of Earth's surface and atmosphere and also help us to make accurate maps. Children, let us recall what we have learned so far. We learned about communication through the ages. First, we learned communication. What is communication? Yes, communication is the exchange of information or ideas between people. The exchange of information by speaking, writing is known as communication. Children, next we learn means of communication. What are the means of communication? Yes, interpersonal communication and mass communication. What is interpersonal communication? Interpersonal communication is an exchange of information between two people. For examples, post office, telegraph and telephone. We can send and receive letters through the post office. Postal service in India were introduced in 1837 by the British. We learn telegraph. Telegraph is a device for transmitting and receiving messages over long distances. We learn telephone. We can talk to any person over a telephone. The telephone is the fastest and most convenient means of sending spoken messages. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. We learn fax. A fax machine scans and helps to send documents through telephone wires. Documents can be transmitted to distant places through the fax machine. Children, we learn email. What is the expanded form of email? Yes, electronic mail. We can send a message through electronic mailer, email using a computer with internet connection. Children, next we learn mass communication. What is mass communication? The exchanging information to a large number of people at the same time is called mass communication. For examples, newspapers, magazines, radio, internet, etc. We learn newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines are available in many languages. They keep us informed of all the national and international events and happenings. People also use this medium to advertise for their products and services. Children, next we learn radio. Radio is a wireless communication device invented by Marconi. We listen to the radio for news, songs, educational and entertainment programs. Next we learn television. The television was invented by John Louis Bird. We watch news, films, advertisements and other entertainment programs on the television. Children, we learn artificial satellites. What is artificial satellite? An artificial satellite is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. Children, why do we need artificial satellite? An artificial satellite to gather information about the universe or for communication. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about the chapter 10, communication through the ages, book exercise. Copy this answer in your book. Children, first Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, besides entertaining, does educate a lot of people through documentaries? The answer is cinema. Besides entertaining, cinema educates a lot of people through documentaries. Second question, internet was started in America as dash. The answer is ARPANET. Children, internet was started in America as ARPANET. What is the expanded form of ARPANET? ARPANET expanded form of Advanced Research Projects Agency. Third question, the dash code that represents alphabets, numericals and punctuations through dots and dashes was developed by dash. The answer is Morse and Samuel Morse. Children, the Morse code that represents alphabets, numericals and punctuation through dots and dashes was developed by Samuel Morse. Fourth question, no wires or cables are needed to send a message through dash. The answer is radio. Children, no wires or cables are needed to send a message through radio. Fifth question, dash is an audiovisual device invented by John Louis Bird. The answer is television. Children, television is an audiovisual device invented by John Louis Bird. Children, next one, match the following. Divided into two columns. One is question part and another one is answer part. First question, Samuel Morse. Answer is option D, telegraph. Children, telegraph was invented Samuel Morse. Second question, John Louis Bird. The answer is option A, television. Children, television was invented by John Louis Bird. Children, third question, Jonas Gutenberg. The answer is option E, printing press. Children, printing press was invented by Jonas Gutenberg. Fourth question, Alexander Graham Bell. The answer is option C, telephone. Children, telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Fifth question, G. Marconi. The answer is radio. Children, radio was invented by G. Marconi. Children, next we are going to discuss about chapter 9, transport, worksheet. Check your answer in your worksheet. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, the invention of dash was an important development in the field of transport? Option A, fire. Option B, copper. Option C, wheel. The answer is option C, wheel. Children, the invention of wheel was an important development in the field of transport. Children, second question, highways are also known as dash. Option A, long roads. Option B, expressway. Option C, superways. The answer is option B, expressways. Highways are also known as expressways. Third question, the most important means of transport of India is the dash. Option A, railway. Option B, roadway. Option C, waterways. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about railway. Chapter 9, transport. The most important means of transport of India is the railway. Fourth question, the largest network of railways in the world is in dash. Option A, India. Option B, the USA. Option C, China. The answer is India. Children, the largest network of railways in the world is in India. Fifth question, which of these is the cheapest method of transporting goods over long distances? Option A, airplane. Option B, ship. Option C, train. The answer is option B, ship. Children, which of these is the cheapest method of transporting goods over long distances? Ship. Children, next second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, the invention of the dash engine made it possible to replace carts drawn by animals. The answer is steam. The invention of the steam engine made it possible to replace carts drawn by animals. Second question, the Dash brothers were the first to fly an aeroplane. The answer is right. Children, the Wright brothers were the first to fly an aeroplane. Third question, the first train in India ran from dash to dash. The answer is Mumbai to Thane. Children, the first train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane. Children, fourth question, dash is the biggest and the busiest port. Children, Mumbai is the biggest and the busiest port. Fifth question, the dash is the longest railway line in the world. Children, the answer is Trans-Siberian Railways. Children, the Trans-Siberian Railways is the longest railway line in the world. Children, next third Roman, write true or false. Children, first question, roadways are cheaper than the railways. The answer is true. Yes, roadways are cheaper than the railways. Third question, the Panama Canal links the Pacific Ocean with the Indian Ocean. The answer is false. Children, the Panama Canal links the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. Third question, improving public transport can reduce congestion on the roads. The answer is true. Improving public transport can reduce congestion on the roads. Fourth question, the steam engine was invented by James Watt. The answer is true. The steam engine was invented by James Watt. Fifth question, the Indian railways have improved a lot since 1853. Yes, answer is true. The Indian railways have improved a lot since 1853. Children, next fourth Roman, match the following. First one, Khyber Pass. Answer is option C, Afghanistan. Children, Khyber Pass in Afghanistan. Children, second question, largest network. The answer is option D, railways. Children, railways is the largest network of the world. Third question, second tunnel. The answer is option E, undersea rail tunnel. Children, second tunnel in Japan is an undersea rail tunnel. Fourth question, Panama Canal. The answer is option B, Atlantic Ocean. Children, the Panama Canal in Atlantic Ocean. Fifth question, lagoons. The answer is option A, Kerala. Children, lagoons in Kerala. Children, I will send the question answer through PDF file. Copy the question answer in your classwork note. Children, write neatly and clearly in your classwork note. Children, I hope you all understand the chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.